vegetação. Went over way to Guaratuba, and we're going to try to catch some shot of a beautiful place. We're talking about mountains, you know, green vegetation, part of the city. You know, like it's not like a hike level or something like that, but you gotta pretty much walk up the stairs, like I don't know, some hundreds of stairs here. Guys, we are over way to the city Guaratuba. I am here in the litoral of the state of Paraná, Brazil, and like I say, on over way to Guaratuba. We're going to try to catch some shot of a beautiful place. We're talking about mountains, you know, green vegetation, part of the city, and let's see what the adventure got for us. Let's see what this journey have for all of us. Let's go.
Star Brothers are playing an ambient song for dancing and shaking all night long.
We are about to get over the boat, Chalana, Ferry, whatever you want to say, guys, or call. Gotta give them some ticket. They will give you back something like a receipt, you know, like you actually pay for it. Okay?
Star Brothers
And we got 2 boats, I mean, in total. So pretty much we have a chance to pay, and immediately, if I can say that, you will get through inside pretty much fast. So I can't wait to see this trip here, huh? It will be good. Something very interesting. All right, here we are. It's not like a hike level or something like that, but you gotta pretty much walk up the stairs, like I don't know, some hundreds of stairs here to reach into the top. And for all of you guys to see the view with the drone. When you come to this place, to this mountain in the city, guys. You can walk around, they have different tracks. This is the other face of the Morro do Cristo. When you people coming here, this is what you got at the other side. Endless view you got here. Look, huh? Awesome, beautiful, unique, just magnificent. Morro do Cristo, ciudad de Guaratuba. All right, in the state of Paraná, ou no estado do Paraná. Gente, gosto de ver todo mundo aqui no meu canal, curtindo esse vídeo aqui. Noah, my family, and all the friends are back down there because we talk the chance, and every second, every minute, as much as possible, you know, to take images and share with you all the moments and all the locations here. So we're gonna dive into the place, you know, with the drone. We got only one battery left, so we'll see what we can catch here. Talk to me, folks. What do you think? There's a cliff right behind me, and you may be thinking this is crazy what I do, but if you don't do crazy things in your life, you're never gonna live life, right, guys? Go out there, guys. Life is one. Enjoy every second. Collect moment. Travel. Motivate yourself, guys. I hope you enjoy the whole footage with drone, you know, terrestrial camera. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, ciao.